Welcome to the Do and Do Little. We are a mother and daughter collaboration that likes playing in hair and makeup. And that's me. Today's video is all about the makeup. She's happy to see everyone. She's using moisturizer for her face. Gotta keep that wonderful moisturized skin. And she's using Wet n Wild Cucumber Palette, which looks a little pukey green.
It's not.
But doesn't show up on your face that way. Yes, it's budget primer, but it still works. We're starting on them eyebrows.
It doesn't take me that long. I feel like it doesn't take me that long. Brushing those eyebrows.
Now she's doing the eyebrow gel to give her eyebrows a little hair strokes.
I have long eyebrows anyway, so I really don't need that much, but I try to fill them in where there's spaces. Now I'm coming in with concealer, two different colors, a light concealer on the bottom and a darker one on top. Now I'm blending the concealer out. Mom, what's the song?
Blending, blending, blending. My version of Finding Nemo.
Get the eyeshadow could pop.
Hope you like this video. If you do, press the thumbs up button.
Oh, you want to?
You really do.
Trying to make them perfect.
That eyebrow looks pretty good. Using the translucent powder to set the concealer. The eyebrows are done.
Ew, those eyebrows look sharp.
We're using the Pretty All Set eyeshadow palette by Ucanbe. All materials listed are down in the description box below.
Hello?
Using the Splashy palette, also by Ucanbe, which also has yellow and gold. And we will also be using the Story palette. for some shimmer on that yellow and gold. What you think? Okay, we'll name it that, since these palettes do not name their colors. And if we didn't tell you, we're doing a rainbow look. So what's that, 3 different palettes?
I'm coming in with that sky blue. Look how pretty the blue is.
I agree. I like this color.
Now we're coming in blue.
Making sure we have enough pigmentation for this look.
Fuchsia.
Oops, forgot something. Have you shared this video with your friends and family? We need the tape to kind of help with that crisp line of the eyeshadow. Blending all those colors together so they look seamless. Can't see the lines. Blending, blending. I think you did a good job. What do you think? Now it's time for that line and lash. It's basically eyeliner and eyelash adhesive all in one by Allure.
Especially for me, because it takes the eyelashes on.
And if you didn't realize, this video is sponsored by Cris Lashes. All the information regarding these lashes are down in the description box. She feels as though it makes her eyes look larger. What do you think? Done with the eyes. Cleaning up our little mistakes. There we go. Now we're using contour to cover up the hyperpigmentation. And foundation time. Her favorite. Black Radiance Espresso color. Hey, have you made a comment? We would love to talk to you. Putting contour under her eye, her nose, Cupid's bow, and her chin. A darker contour for her nose. Her temples, her cheeks, and her jawline. Giving that face snatched dimensions. Needed a little more contour. Wanted to get that nose snatched to perfection. Blending in that contour. Blush time. These colors are pretty for a beauty supply store product. Gives those cheeks a nice pinky color. We're using also Black Radiance highlighter on her nose, Cupid's bow, and around her eyes. Lip liner. And purple and pink lip stain. Look at them Cupid doll lips. Stripper pink. Cucumber water, we're using it as...
It really doesn't say anything. It just feels nice after doing your makeup.
Have you subscribed yet? If you've checked out this video, it's pretty good. Subscribe to us. Join the family. The makeup is complete.
3 out of the 90.
Got on her do-rag. How'd we do?
Thank you for watching the Do and Do Little. Make sure you subscribe and also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Alright, love you back. Bye.